everybody, I am super excited to be doing a memory planner spread, 8.5 by 11. I am so behind. I think we all know what happened. March happened and then, the world kind of just went upside down. So this is only week 6 and I decided to use the color palette from the Week in the Life 2019. I had the digital chipboard, and so that's kind of where I got my color scheme, and it also worked out because there was the mauve color in my photos, and also the purple and some of the blue. So I just did a lot of digital work to make these work for me. So Life this week, I think that stayed the same, but I made this with a digital stamp, recolored it, and then this one is also a digital stamp and then added a little block of color. This one is from the Family Story Kit and I just recolored it. I think I recolored it, but I'm gonna layer it on there. This one, I believe I recolored. I just shrunk this one down. It's also from the Family Kit. This one, I had to cover up something here at the top, and then I just added a pink block down there. For these two right here, I had a lot of fun making them. I took some digital stamps and I turned them sideways and then just duplicated it so that way I could have my own pattern cards. So one says loving and then another one says right now. And I will probably make some chipboard so that way they have more dimension, and then I'll add them right on top. So I think that is it for all the fun digital stuff, just lots of recoloring, and once again, making a color swatch for my project so it can come together quicker. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina. I'm always making stuff, or at least trying to. I am on a couple design teams, Scrap and Happy Studio, Tracy Reed Designs, and Coco Daisy. I also just launched my first big picture classes, and I will teach you all about traveler's notebooks and even give you 5 sketches. Okay, I am gonna dive into this. I know that was a long introduction, but I like to share all my digital secrets to help you with hybrid creations. All right, here I go. I am showing you all the chipboard pieces that I made ahead of time. I just didn't want you guys to have to sit through that process of me cutting it out. It will also just make this video go a little bit quicker. I am just laying out all my journaling cards in the different spots, and then I am just going to start to place everything down. And since I already kind of told you the behind the scenes and digital type of stuff, I can tell you a little bit about this week. This week kind of started off a little bit weird because my daughter wound up having really bad allergies, but it looked like pink eye, so I wasn't sure. So her and I had a day together, and she was able to get started on her Valentine's, which she was very excited about. And so that's why you see a big photo of her. I just added the love this to that photo. And if you can tell, I also used the back of a cereal box for my chipboard. I'm not sure if that's archival safe, but it's gonna work. So there you go. There was also a bike ride this week and a Girl Scout meeting, and then some cleaning on Sunday. And I tried on the left-hand side, Shannan leaves a questions box, like listening, watching, and those type of questions. And so instead of that, I just put a highlights of what we did this week, or what I did. There was a lot of things that I did, like taking the kids to Girl Scouts and parent meetings. So I just kind of included a rundown by the numbers of what we did. So I think that is a good alternative if you can't fill in the questions box. I also repeated the love this on the photo of my daughter dancing. I thought about not doing that, but I decided, you know what, I am just going to go ahead and repeat it and call it good. I also, when I am trimming these, I cannot trim these. I don't know about you, but I tend to get really fussy about how straight or how correct I cut things. So I wind up having to wipe off a lot of the I just did it again. Wipe off a lot of the chipboard shavings, I guess, just because I want to make sure I get the shape correct. Okay, so I was pulling out a bunch of color cast designs and I was trying to see if I liked them on there, but I did not like them, and I don't know, I just didn't, it wasn't working well. So I decided to just take those off, and then I went looking in my wood veneer stash and I saw a bunch of different hearts, wood veneer hearts, and some that were hollow on the inside. And so I decided to go ahead with those and just keep it simple. Since this was February and kind of the month of love, I decided to just add those, and then this spread is going to be done. Use the tacky glue to glue down the wood veneer, and I even put a little heart for the bike ride photo of my husband and I. I love that photo. I find it hysterical because it was freezing that day and my husband only had a t-shirt on, but I'm all bundled up. Love our bike rides together, and I definitely miss those. Okay, this page is all done, complete, and I really love it. I love the color scheme I came up with and the different chipboard pieces, and my decision to just keep it simple with a couple wood veneer hearts. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this process video and another memory planner spread come to life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.